And now quickly we are moving on to our next game, that is Feel the Touch. Feel the Touch. Let's go. Alright, so the name of the game is Feel the Touch. Okay? Feel the touch.
Okay.
You got it? Feel the touch.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. So can you see those two boxes there?
Yeah.
Okay. So ए भाशेन 4 boxes आसतले, 2 for each person, and each person will get 3 chances. Okay? Emilina, you please decide who wants to go first. Then I'll explain the rules.
Okay, how da?
To either?
Okay.
Okay, Benzer, you come decide.
Okay.
Okay. Which box you want? You just tell me, 1 or 2. The first one?
Two.
The second one?
The second one.
Okay, you stand there.
Yeah.
Okay. Benzer. Okay, he can see your things,
Okay.
whatever's there in the box. Okay, but you cannot see it.
Okay.
Okay, you need to hold the box behind, feel the touch, and then
Try and explain
describe.
it.
Okay? कितने सांगपाचे?
बरें.
Okay? पहिले?
कितने? ओके ओके.
त्याक चोयनू कोण हा?
ओय ओके.
कळ्ळें?
ओय.
Ready?
ओय.
Okay. पयला न्हू केन्नापणी?
ओय ओय ओय.
Okay. So are you ready?
Boy.
Okay. Put your hand inside and then you start. Wait, I'll give you a countdown of 3.
Okay.
Okay? Benzer, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Cheating or अपना?
ना cheating है
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay. Called का कितने?
It's a fruit. Fruit. Vegetable.
Yes.
Beetroot.
ओय.
In one shot, man, you made it.
Y'all have to give me some trophy for this.
Okay, you can see it now. You can show it to the camera.
तू पास है.
It's a beetroot, guys. हांव घरा को हात न्हू. Beetroot
that's
तेक लागो
right.
कळ्ळें म्हाका.
दापू चांस मेळ्ळे.
Hello. All right, the next box. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done? Yeah, हाताला लाव नको. Okay, come
So
on.
yeah.
I'll give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go.
Cucumber.
My God, you eat everything or what? Vegetable?
दिन असता बस.
Well played.
Feel the touch.
All right. Next
great.
round, I think we'll have to start with Benza. तुझी IQ मा test कोची पटेली.
अच्छो है कि जाते.
Competition.
All right. Okay. Done?
ओय.
Benza, which box?
ये वाटे ना दे. Right on.
Side यहाँ दे. Okay. Done? राव आता घालना का? Count down तिथं.
Account अंतर ओके.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. हाय ना दिसता म्हाका.
Orange. हाँ?
Correct.
तू मागीर कितें प्रॅक्टीस कोन्न येयल्या?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Next one. Okay? Ready? मास फाटी वयता?
ओके आणि पडतो.
Okay.
Some clues?
Can I tell?
Yeah, you can tell me in my ears.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
It's very tough, huh?
All the best.
ओ माग किती दोल्लो.
Rara, count down तिथं.
Okay, count.
सुसेगार. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Any clues that you want to give?
Carrot.
Wrong.
1, huh?
You want a clue? Oh?
Radish.
Yes, that's absolutely right.
आज किती खाऊन येयला चाय एक बरें खायने.
म्हाका दिसलो ना तो आनी 5 चान्स पूण घेतालो मू.
All right, man. Well played, both of you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for taking part in our game shows. Yeah, किती जाता आणि तू किती एकल्या दिला मागीर तुका राग येतलो.
माग चोड राग येता. माग चोड राग येता.
Consolation दिया.
So किती जाता हांवें दोगांयकूय हाडल्या 8 करून हाडल्या. Okay? So ready? This is your prize coming our way.
तोय चूज करपाचो खंय जाय तो.
होऊन जायना. This is equally justice केला आहे.
Thank
So
you.
Benzer,
Thank you
this
so
is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent Media. Thank you so much for giving us your precious time. तुमचो मोलादीक वेळ आमचे खातीर दिलो म्हूण काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं.